This is the RYOBI jig. I recently learned of its existence and I kind of like it. It's the same people that make Milwaukee and a few other brands. D-Wall doesn't make one. Shocking. Beautiful. Nice tight fit. So what I like about this kit is it's obviously self-adjusting. This could be done a little bit better, a little bit stronger. It does come with, if you have a smaller router, like what I had, I put the bigger plate on it, but if I had the small plate on that, I would have to use this. Now this can be in use, or it can be just fit in the side here. They really thought of everything. I just prefer to have that. Now for the adjustment for the hinge, it's pretty much that easy. Like it's literally, you just press this down, push it forward, like that's it. For any which one. Now I'm at the minimum. And there we go. Now the bit goes into here, which is nice. So this whole kit here, and that's what it is. That this whole kit is designed to be an all-in-one unit. You have the depth gauge for your 4-inch hinges or above, or your 3 inches or 2.5s, whatever. Like it's got the rubber, and if you have a rounded hinge, you just take out the, because I have it down to a square hinge right now. You put that in, and then there's your rounded hinge. So the router bit will go along here, the bearing rolls along that. And I'll just want to flip it back to the square hinge. But it really is that easy. Saves time, saves money. So, thanks for watching.